Let's
then
go.
he said,
Go there.
where are you?
Continue. Tell me. What?
And my dad said, we'll go together. After that, he said, we'll go together. And then he go. And then he waited for me. And then we finished. Go to the car. After that, we see him. After that, we see him. After that, we see him. And then we get in Arab Saka. And then my dad said, are you fine? And then I say yes. And then we come, we
Sorry, go.
finish. And then we knocked on the door. And then you came. And then now, today, Megrash is not here.
No, don't go with your back. Go there.
Okay, this is enough. Bye. The story is enough. But I still have new story to tell about.
About what?
Lion. The lion saying, help, help. And then the mouse find him. After that, the mouse say, hey, keep quiet, I'm near to her. And then, once upon a time, a tiger is going. Once upon a time, when I dreamed,
You dream what?
I dreamed a lion was going to eat me, and then it was a zombie lion, and then I got fast, and then it's going so slow like this.
By the way, it was bad your dream. Yeah?
And then, once upon a time, a tiger is strong, and then once upon a time, I was in the mountain, and then I was very strong, and then me and the tiger will fight. After that, the tiger died,
Huh?
and the lion say, the mommy tiger and my brother and mommy sister, they say, Daddy, wake up, tiger, tiger, wake up. And then the tiger said, help me, Jordi.
You not yet finished the story?
Yes.
So, did you finish?
No. And
So what will you do?
the tiger family said, oh, the grandma and grandpa say, hey, tiger, wake up. Daddy tiger, come. And then the tiger said, help me, Jordi, when we fight, let me lie. And then all the tigers is very, very strong. And I'm short. And then I run very fast. And then I bring the potion and then I was very fast like this. After that, the tiger who was touching them, and then they run very fast.
Okay, now the story to finish, I think, yeah?
And then I finished the story.
Okay.
That's